Yo, my creators, what's good? Today we're gonna be talking about how you can build this for around 50 bucks. So that's not including the actual Quasar science lights, but you gotta check those out too because these are crazy. Step one, all you wanna do is you wanna head over to Lowe's and you wanna grab you some PVC pipes. So what I grabbed is 3 5-foot, 1-inch PVC pipes. There's one on this side, and there's one across the top up there. I also grabbed 6 2-foot, 1-inch PVC pipes. Now what I did with these is I took 2 and they're at the top of that 5-footer to extend it up a little bit to make it taller. You don't have to do that because it is kind of tall. And then I took 2 and put them on each side of the bottom to make the bottom leg stand, kind of keep it surfaced. Then you also gotta have the pieces to actually connect all these PVC pipes. So with that being said, I got 4 1-inch T's. The T connects 2 pipes together and has one where it can go out. I used those in between the 2-foot and the 5-foots just to connect those. And at the bottom, I have one sitting flat connecting the 2 2-footers to extend them out to make it stand and sit flat on the surface. And the third connector was pointing up to this 5-footer to make it stand up. Also, you have to get 6 1-inch elbows. Now elbows are just kind of like this. They have a connector here and a connector here. So I got 2 elbows up on the tops to connect that 5-footer and those 2-footers. And at the bottom on each side of the 2-foot rails is an elbow curved like this to make it stand flat on the ground. It's standing up straight. Other than that, I got some black trash bags to kind of wrap the white PVC pipe. You don't have to do this. I only did it just in case. So it wasn't like white pipes. I wanted to make them black. You could spray paint them. You could do it any way that you really like. And last but not least, I attached these Quasar science lights to the actual PVC with zip ties. So I got some black zip ties, wrapped it around real tight, snugged it in. They sit perfectly up on the PVC pipes. So very simple. You build it up. If you want to use something to support the bottoms, you can. You can put sandbags down there. You don't really have to. There's so many ways that you can actually do this. I kind of did like this doorway effect, and I'll throw some clips right here to show you like how it looks like wide and close up. And not to mention, the most important part of this video are these Quasar science tube lights. I think these are probably the best lights to do this with, simply because they're lightweight and they're just freaking amazing. And what I have at the top and keying me right now are the actual Quasar science RGB tubes, which are super cool. You can do so many different effects with this, from lighting, from designing the PVC pipes. This is just the way that I did it. You can alter it any way that you kind of creatively come up with something. Like I said, those 2-foots with the elbows make it sit real steady, and then you can kind of build from there. You could really build some crazy stuff with this. But you could also like go through these lights. These RGBs are sick. Let me show you, like, ooh, maybe we want to do like the little blue going on. I got these red and orange in the back. I could also change them. Hold on, let me change this one. I'm about to throw the cop car lights on. Ooh, now we got this cool look. I got the cops on me. I'm riding real fast. There's so many different ways that you can actually do this, man. Let me see. All right, so here I got like the fire effect up here. It's kind of like making like a fire look with some orangish yellow tints. And then I got the cop car in the back, the 2 oranges on the side. I could change those white. There's so many different things with these specific lights. They're amazing lights, the Quasar science RGBs. So right here I have me being keyed with a 2-foot RGB Quasar science light. At the top I have a 4-foot RGB Quasar science light. And here on the sides right here are 2 6-foot crossfades. So a crossfade Quasar science is basically you can go from warm to cool lighting. You can't actually do RGB. They're very simple. They're actually cheaper than the RGBs. Really dope lights, by the way. But in my opinion, the RGBs are super valuable because of the lighting effects, because of the different colors. So all in all, the PVC pipes, the trash bags, the zip ties, it was around 50 bucks. So you can make this look with 50 bucks. If you got tubes already, if you don't have tubes, it's gonna cost you a little more, obviously, because you need these tube lights to make this setup. You can build stuff however you like. There's so many different ways to do it. The opportunity is endless. This was just a video kind of showing you guys how you can do something simple, and hopefully this sparks some ideas for you to make some super creative stuff. So many different things. You can use this PVC pipe to put a black drop over. Get creative, use this setup. Make sure you click the link down below. Check out these RGB lights by Quasar Science. Some of the best lights that I've used ever, and I just really enjoy them. That being said, I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, or if it helped you, if it sparked some ideas for you, slap that like button, drop me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.